Wow!
In the field! Yeah! And you want to know the rice bunnies?
Quack, 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 quack! Quack, 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 quack! Alam mo kanina, when we arrived here, sabi ng driver, we're here. Tapos sabi ko, ha? Are you sure this is the right place? Kaya look, there's the name mo. Kubo ko, ano yan?
Ubud
This one, Boko Cabin, Ubud Valley. Tapos sabi ko kay mama mo, kaya sa kartihan ni Tenten sa hotel, ito yung binok na yun. Ano nangyari? Sabi ko, what happened? What happened? Ay, sige, tignan natin.
I just wanted something different.
Oh,
In the middle of nature.
yeah, I know. Pero maarte ka sa hotel eh.
Magpapalagay ko ng bonfire tonight.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Doon? Sige, mag-bonfire tayo.
In a little cabin, in the middle of the rice paddock.
Pero, new experience ito. Actually, okay naman siya. Maganda naman siya.
It's clean.
Yeah,
It's nice.
Tsaka iba siya.
There's a river.
Parang camping na, parang glamping na okay.
Oh yeah, Mama always wanted to go glamping.
Glamping not camping.
Yeah.
Ako itong maarte. Ayaw na putik, ayaw na. Ako lang ang mahilig sa ganun, tapos kayo ayaw. Kaya ikaw, go, welcome to the club. May kasama na ako. Yay!
It's actually working. Okay. Papa is so excited about these mga ganyan-ganyan. Mga ganyan-ganyan nagsiset ng fire.
Yeah.
Na, pati yung mga pasuko dun sa bahay. Sunog-sunog. Ano nangyari dito? Butas-butas na sila.
Namatay siya.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Welcome to my hacienda.
Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful.
This is my secret property. Nobody knows. Now, everybody knows. You need to till the soil. Take care of the soil. That's the survival of the planet.
What's for breakfast?
I don't know. Balinese. Ano tawag
Fried
yun?
rice?
Fried rice. And coffee na ano ko? Parang barako. Sana barako. Wait ha. The best coffee in the world. Instant coffee. Kaya na, malamig ng pagkain.
Okay. Just eat your food. Parang yung cousin ko, anak. Ang ganda
Sabi
ng
na,
cousin
don't
mo.
talk eh.
Ang ganda ng cousin mo. Walang pagsalat ka eh. Kasi, si Butay, when she talks, the porridge, yeah.
Sabay kayo? This is ready from the seaweed?
Yes, after we clean and dry, so we need to peel it, the skin and the bean put inside.
How do you feel it?
We clean by hot water, by normal water. Then we roasting inside. We do the roasting by slow fire wood. It's about 45 minutes.
What time niya? Hati-hati.
Hati-hati.
Hati-hati. Coffee. Bali also from Philippines. Parang barako ah. Sarap, masarap siya actually.
But I like the aftertaste of it.
Yeah.
It lingers.
Sarap.
Mama, try it.
Sarap siya. Try mo.
Pati yung rice nila, dry.
Mangosteen.
This one is very good.
Papa, I think you need to put the coconut, the palm
It
sugar.
tastes like mangosteen.
Here. It's the sauce.
Sarap ah.
Ano?
Ano to,
Just eat it.
coconut? Pour
Just
it.
put some in your mouth.
Pour it.
Ano sa mouth ko yan?
Yeah, put some in your mouth. Or use the fork.
Alik, ano ba yan? Kainis ka.
Next naman sa loob ah.
Okay. Ginseng is medicinal.
Ted. Ano? Ah.
Wow!
Boom. Okay na?
Yeah, I don't like her family. Papa, banyan tree is like the one in Sikihor. Is that the same balete?
Yeah, balete.
Yes.
Push na mama. Hala ka. Hala ka. Iwan na naman.
Mama,
Ayan o. Ayan o.
oh, that's so cute. Look, there's an eagle.
Okay. Tingnan natin kung ibang tsura ng manta ray dito sa manta ray ng Pilipinas. Ito, sa harap po yung guide natin. Hi.
That's the katugtog of the
So,
fish lab.
today,
Katugtog of
manta ray. Today, manta ray. Eto na naman kami. Sakay-sakay sa barko. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Ha?
Manta Bay.
Manta Bay.
Thank you for this trip.
Tok.
Do anything?
Daming tao. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Okay, good night. 45 minutes daw to eh. Bye. Something different.
Are you okay? There's so many of them. Papa, there's big fish underneath there. Be careful.